Becky Miller with Ivy Tech Community College. I'm the Executive Director for Resource Development. We're really excited to share that we will be continuing our partnership with the Terre Humane Society, and we have plans for a new shelter, and those plans will take place at the property of the Terre Humane Society's current location. Our focus right now is to accelerate the move, and we have a lot of work to do, and we're going to need a lot of community support. So we hope everybody can help us out, and look forward to sharing our new plans with you very soon.